Tips there, especially because, yes, it's going to be a real hot one, and I'm sure the sun is going to be beaming on a lot of folks out there.
Yeah, we're going to be tracking mainly clear skies out there, a lot of sunshine, and that sun will certainly heat things up really quickly out there for the day today. And today, likely a little bit hotter than what we had yesterday. So heads up, we do have that extreme heat warning. That'll go into effect at 11 o'clock this morning. That will hold till 9 p.m. this evening. That includes much of the area. So all those areas shaded in that deep magenta color on your screen, yeah, under that extreme heat warning. Heat advisory back out towards parts of the eastern panhandle of West Virginia and western Maryland. Now the difference between the two, the extreme heat warning, that's where we could see those heat index values up to 111 degrees later on today. Heat index values up to 103 back out where we do have those heat advisories for the day today. Already have an extreme heat watch in effect for tomorrow due to the fact we could see those heat index values yet again well into the triple digits. So heads up, still looking at that prolonged heat and humidity still sticking around tomorrow, although tomorrow looking like it won't be nearly as hot as the day today, but still will be on the dangerous side. Temperatures right now starting off into those mid upper 70s to low 80s, still holding at 81 in DC. Right around 80 in Annapolis, lower 80s Lexington Park, into those 70s up and down the I-81 corridor and dew points. Those are already starting off into those low to mid 70s. That's that tropical feel to the air. Immediately you feel it as you're stepping out this morning. And that humidity will be sticking around today, making those feels like temperatures well into the triple digits, or at least closer to about 10 degrees hotter than the actual air temperature. So plan for that. We're talking middle 90s already by 11 a.m., but those feels like temperatures likely already into the triple digits. By 3 p.m., talking about the peak daytime heating of the day, 101 degrees potentially for that air temperature. Meanwhile, those feels like temperatures, that heat index could be close to 111 degrees by mid to late afternoon. So again, something to keep in mind for later on today. You want to stay cool, stay hydrated, and if you have to be outside for an extended period of time, seek shade, and again, take plenty of water breaks. Highs today, yeah, we're talking about 101 degrees in DC. Could be right around the triple digits for Manassas, Fredericksburg, Waldorf, even Martinsburg and Luray could reach right around the triple digits later on this afternoon. Yet again, not much relief overnight tonight, mid to upper 70s to right around 80 degrees before we bounce back into those upper 90s yet again tomorrow. Now tomorrow, the difference is the fact that we'll see that chance for some isolated thunderstorms popping up into the afternoon. Today, though, still looking dry out there. That high pressure still in control. We have that system just a little bit out of view. That's back out towards the plains. That'll be bringing us our next chance for some showers and thunderstorms later on tomorrow afternoon. So I start Futurecast with Wednesday morning. This is a view of Wednesday right around noon. A couple of showers and storms starting to bubble up by that point. I would say along and south of 66 as we look ahead towards the middle of the afternoon tomorrow, right around 2 p.m. Then as we look closer towards sunset tomorrow evening, I would say closer towards 8 p.m., we start to notice some clusters of thunderstorms mainly for our northernmost areas. And those will continue to slide their way eastward, and eventually those do break apart as we look ahead towards later on tomorrow night. We start off Thursday morning dry before some more isolated thunderstorms are expected as the system dives its way farther southward into your Thursday afternoon and evening. And then more rain chances on the way for Friday at times, Saturday as well as Sunday. And yes, you guessed it, with more rain chances in the forecast, temperatures will drop a little bit. So at least we do see some relief as we look towards the end of this week. So today, tomorrow, DMV first warn days for that high heat, high humidity. You also want to be weather aware tomorrow for that threat for some isolated thunderstorms into the afternoon. Still looking at some scattered storms out there Thursday. High temperatures, low 90s, talking lower 80s out there Friday. A bit more of those thunderstorm chances too. Upper 80s Saturday, low 90s Sunday, and still talking about those low 90s to start off that next work week. And like I mentioned, we still have some storm chances out there too for both weekend days. So also want to stay weather aware for that.